Can we prevent ourselves from getting old thanks to science? Are we supposed to become 1,000 years old? Wouldn't it be nice to really have all the time in the world? In your ears, this probably sounds like science fiction. But that isn't necessarily true. In some cases, living forever is already going on. Although scientists have been asking this question for hundreds of years, finally, in the 21st century, scientists are coming with ideas, prototypes and theories to really prevent you from getting old. Wouldn't it be cool if all illnesses can be cured? Well, that isn't so far away. Scientists predict that in less than 25 years, we could cure all diseases that are known today. First, if we could only cure AIDS and cancer, the average life expectancy would already rise by more than 15 years. Secondly, other ways of medication are being found. One of them is called nanobots. These are robots the size of a body cell that can destroy blood clots, wipe out diseases, and even remove cancer tumors. Although some prototypes of it have been made already, it will take at least another 20 years for nanobots to become commercial and work well. Also, scientists are working on a machine that filters the old blood cells from your blood. I will briefly explain how this machine goes to work. First, it takes out the blood of the patient. Then, the blood enters a machine where it is mixed with a special kind of proteins. These proteins have two kinds of specialties. One of those specialties is that they have the habit to only attach to the old blood cells. And second, they are very vulnerable to magnetic fields. Then, when all old blood cells have a protein attached to them, the blood continues its way where it passes an electromagnet. That electromagnet takes out all those old blood cells with the proteins attached to them, and then the young blood cells continues its way and re-enter the bloodstream of the patient. Then the young cells can replicate and you have a full rejuvenated bloodstream. Wouldn't it be nice to just print an organ when you need one and grow a new limb when you lost one? Well, scientists have already made an organ printer. This is what, as the word says, prints out organs that you can put in your body and it will work. It uses a special kind of ink. This ink consists of 3 ingredients. One is the body cells of the old damaged body organ. 2, a bio-ink made of stem cells. And 3, a special kind of liquid that makes the organ stable. The printer prints the organ cell layer by cell layer, and scientists have already made a full functioning red heart. Also, scientists are working on a tube that simulates the womb. They use a fake kind of amniotic fluid in that tube, and amniotic fluid has the specialty to send signals to the body cells to replicate. So if you could do that, you could just grow a new arm when you lost one. Although it will take about 3 days to grow a new arm, but you will have an arm eventually. Also, robotic arms are being made and tested. In 2009, a man replaced his own arm because it didn't function well anymore by a robotic arm. He couldn't do much yet, but he could hold some simple things and write some simple words. But if we could look at 15 years from now, we could probably make robotic arms that are much better than our arms today. But is it really as nice as it all sounds, living forever? Though there are other planets to visit by then, after 400 years, you'd be pretty bored. Also, family and friends maybe don't want to live forever, but you want to live for 500 years. So, do you want to be 400 years old and alone? Also, there's a high chance of Justin Bieber also living forever. So I doubt if anyone would like to live more than 300 years with Justin Bieber music. So yes, we can live forever, thanks to all those ingenious scientific ideas. But do you want to live forever? And this will become a main question in the future world. I do want to live for more than 400 years. Do you?